next episode in the mathematics video series. This time we will discuss the concept of algorithms and how they are applied to the real world. Algorithms are blended so well in our everyday life that we barely notice them. Yet our world is increasingly controlled by algorithms. So it's a topic that's worth understanding better. Many jobs have step-by-step processes in order to complete tasks, although there is often variability in the procedure. And as opposed to machines, humans' ability to think critically provides opportunities to change course if there's a problem. Typically, when humans or machines do calculations, the process includes following a set of rules, called an algorithm. You might think of it as a step-by-step procedure. The algorithm, or sequence of well-defined instructions, is used in computer programming, machine operations, financial analysis, mathematics, and other applications. The resulting computations yield some intentional, although sometimes not predictable, outcome. Developing an algorithm from scratch requires beginning with George Polya's first step in problem solving. Understand the problem, no matter what problem we want to solve. If we want to create any type of process, we must first start by analyzing and clarifying what we know in order to determine the problem we're trying to solve. Machines can be programmed to follow the instructions given an algorithm-generated computer code to achieve a desired result. However, humans must logically think through each step and systematically proceed using given rules. Then look back, analyze the result, and see if it makes sense. Historically, algorithms date back to the Babylonians, although the term algorithm is attributed to Al-Khwarizmi, a Persian mathematician from the 9th century who is often called the father of algebra. He presents the original form of algebra and the concept of algorithms, which he introduces using Hindu-Arabic numerals. Over the centuries, formulas and sequential processes became more formalized. Soon it became clear that explicit instructions could be provided to a machine, which could then perform functions that before humans had to do manually. The language understood by machines and computers became codified to perform more sophisticated task-oriented activities, such as printing colors on a canvas, creating a machine tool, or calculating income tax. While algorithms are used in computers, they may be implemented anywhere a precise set of instructions are given. A variety of types of notation are used, including mathematical symbols, programming languages, pseudocode, and flowcharts. This information must be fed into the algorithm to produce a result. In data processing, information is input, churned, and output, and then stored. For many decades, this data was run through algorithms on a mainframe computer and stored on large magnetic tapes. These were later replaced by cassettes and then by floppy disks. Today, the work once done by mainframe computers the size of an entire building can now be performed on a laptop. Algorithms are used to evaluate and clarify processes that work from those that do not. No longer is math a secondary activity, but an integral part of the data analysis, optimization, and business process. Using analysis of assimilated facts and a formula that takes into account a large number of variables, predictions and decision-making is remarkably accurate, many times more than less informed conclusions reached by subject matter experts. Algorithms of invisible computations packed into code are used to spell check a document, determine the quality of an SAT, ACT, or GRE essay, present the correct answer to a question, and create graphs from data points. Websites using artificial intelligence and mathematical formulas can determine individual preferences on popular websites like Google and Amazon. They can also analyze the quality of a song. For example, inputting a song into the website Music X-Ray can tell with amazing accuracy whether or not a song will be successful. And the website Epigogics uses neural networks to determine the success of a script with metrics that can predict how much money a film using that script would make. On the financial market front, complex algorithms determine within nanoseconds what stocks to buy, when to sell, in a process called algo trading, automated trading, or black box trading. These mathematical models essentially replace the intuition of portfolio analysis and pattern recognition. Although financial savoir-faire and mathematical thinking is still required in order to understand nuances that might not be evident. In this process, variables such as the amount of stock, purchaser, timing, price, and quantities are digitally input into an electronic platform, and results are churned out instantaneously, resulting in a faster, high-performance trading cycle with nearly 1 million messages per second along fiber optic networks. Major companies, investment banks, pension funds, mutual funds, and trading companies track Wall Street volatility, risk, and orders. The speed of decisions has changed the pace of stock market trades and may be the cause of the single-day swings in the market. Those who understand algorithms and the associated code could cause an avalanche of trades. Algorithms may not be part of your everyday work, but understanding what they are, where they come from, and how they work will allow you to better integrate your tasks into corporate or organizational systems. Many processes are routine and can be mechanized to provide a more streamlined, less labor-intensive workplace. It is very possible that at 10 p.m. at your home or office, a robotic vacuum cleaner will open the closet door and vacuum every square inch of the space. Certainly, algorithmic processes are used to do math problems, but where they covertly appear most in your life is through Google and Amazon. These companies, amongst others, seek to understand how people think and what people want through the algorithms of artificial intelligence. So, the next time you turn on the computer and the very product you were thinking about shows up on your screen, don't be surprised if an algorithm hasn't figured out what you desired most. This is all for the episode on What Are Algorithms? This is Rachel Winston signing out. Until next time.